Take a ride in the 2015 CTS. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic parking brake, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, sports suspension, daytime running lights, power brakes, ambient lighting, braking assist. Inside you'll find voice-activated navigation system, airbags, front knee, heated steering wheel, cruise control, audio auxiliary input, memory card slot, child safety locks, multifunction display, center console with lighting, one-touch windows, 4 power windows.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.